You are with Times Now. Following reports in British newspapers that India is the fifth most tracked nation by America, the External Affairs Ministry has raised serious concerns. Now India has sought details of the hacking scandal.
A whistleblower exposing America's massive snooping program.
You don't have to have done anything wrong. You simply have to eventually fall under suspicion from somebody, even by a wrong call.
Followed by reports in a UK newspaper that India is the fifth most tracked country behind Iran, Pakistan, Jordan and Egypt. The shocking information raising serious concerns back home. A surprised External Affairs Ministry has promised to take up the issue with America.
If you want to ask me whether we are concerned by media disclosures suggesting that data relating to private communications of Indian citizens may have been harvested, my answer to you is yes, we are concerned and surprised about it.
But the fact that the US has been collecting private information of individuals, not just in their own nation, but across the world, has raised a lot of anger.
The European Commission is concerned about the possible consequences for the private lives of EU citizens. We hope to get more information and details from the US authorities.
While America has outrightly refused to call off the spy program, the White House is also in damage control mode, claiming that President Obama believes in security as well as privacy.
He believes that with the oversight that exists and the implementation of the programs as they are implemented, that the balance is appropriately struck, has been appropriately struck, but it is an absolutely appropriate topic for debate.
Whistleblower Edward Snowden, a former CIA contractor who's currently hiding in China to escape prosecution in his homeland, is meanwhile finding support from different quarters.
We have had indirect communication with his people.
What do you mean?
I don't think it's appropriate at this time that I go into further details. And we must ask the question, and the Australian government must answer the question, how many Australians have been intercepted?
With reports that America accessed 6.3 billion reports from India in just March 2013, will the centre lodge a strong protest with the Obama administration for compromising the privacy of the common man? Bureau Report, Times Now.